Hi Sagittarius, this is your next 7 days reading, the week ahead of you from Saturday to the next Saturday, how it is looking. So 22nd of March to the 29th of March. What's coming in your life? We are going to talk about that. So some of the energies are continuously coming with us, carrying forward. Some of them are new, so your energy looks great. So let's see what is influencing you. There are challenging situations that are influencing you. Five of Pentacles, Five of Swords. So this can mean that you could be feeling some vacuum, some some empty victories, something that is not good enough, some betrayal. Five of Pentacles is feeling of lack or misery. You could be making progress in life, but you can be getting a promotion, but still you can be feeling that I am not doing so well. That is an internal feeling. So in terms of money, you could be feeling constrained. In terms of your marks in the studies, you could be feeling that I have not done enough. Whatever may be the circumstances, the Seven of Wands is here. So Seven of Wands is your energy. This is you are someone who is like a hero, who is like a warrior, despite your lack circumstance or betrayal in love or some kind of loss that you have taken. You are still a hero, you are still a warrior. You have kept your ground higher than others, you have kept your position, and you can take control of your challenges. So that is what angels are saying. The challenges are around you. See the sticks coming towards you, but with a stick you are fighting off your challenges and keeping a higher ground. Nothing will be able to move you from your position of leadership. That is what I am saying. And what's coming to you this week with all the energy of lack and difficulty and changes, there is a sense of anxiety. But with the Four of Wands, you are going to reap rich benefits, you are going to be rewarded, you can feel stable at this time, you can be getting a promotion despite the difficulty, or you could be rewarded for the work that you have done. So some kind of milestone will be achieved despite the problems that you are facing. Because with the Lovers card, in terms of milestone, this can mean some of you are getting married, some of you are getting engaged, some of you are getting back to someone in terms of relationship. New ideas, new motivation, new decisions can be taken at this time. With the Ace of Wands, something new, something inspiring is starting for you. So you could be enjoying a moment or two with your loved ones. You could be having great you can make great decisions in this time period. You can do very well in some situation, some aspect of your life, whether personal or professional. So with the Queen of Cups and the Three of Wands, you have been accepting situations in your life, whether it is your love life, whether it is your professional life. You have gone through difficulties, that I can say. With the Tower and the Nine of Swords, you have coped up with difficult situations and surprising situations that have given rise to anxiety in your life, but you have been able to be discerning in this time period to absorb everything. You have come a long way, Sagittarius, from a difficult circumstance. You have gone through heartbreak in love, you have gone through surprises in terms of your work or your studies, you have gone through failures, you have gone through shock, you have gone through difficulties, you have gone through heartbreaks. But you have managed to come out of it with good expectation, good optimism, and whatever you have gone through, ultimately it is going to give you a sense of balance. And with the Chariot card and the Six of Swords, what is coming to you is your steadfast behaviors, your long-term determination, your goals, your willingness to move forward has given you this charioteer's energy. And with the Six of Swords, definitely you are going to pass through difficulties and move to peaceful situations. So basically it is saying that you have the gumption, you have the determination of this King of Wands, who is a big picture guy, who is a big picture girl, who will be moving forward with tenacity and getting the universe's hand in getting a right to safe passage. So somehow, and also let me tell you, Sagittarius, you are lucky people, and because you are ruled by Jupiter, so Jupiter will be giving you expansion in this time period, because this is the big picture guy, this is the big picture person. So whether you are a girl or a boy, a man or a woman, this King of Wands energy is going to take you forward. Your freedom loving energy, your go getter energy, your passionate energy is going to take you forward in balance, and you are going to get out of many difficulties with your heroic warrior energy. So justice is going to come to you, so balancing of scales will happen. So it is like the amount of sugar you put in your pudding, the pudding will be as sweet as that. So there is a cause and effect relationship in our karma situation. So the these two cards tell me that you have done something, and that is going to give you or elevate you to big picture or take you to a bigger situation. And you have managed to deal with difficulties for a long time, surprise situations as well in your life. Sometimes you want to give up, but with justice and the King of Wands, fairness will be given to you in this time period. So luck will be on your side, some balancing of scales will happen. And with the Ten of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles, some of you are going to achieve some dream in this time period, some dream that you had seen, and you are going to rejoice this time. At this time you are not expecting this, but this will be great for you and your close people. And with the Nine of Pentacles, you will feel that yes, I did something, I have worked for something, and this is finally culminating for me. For some of you this will be visas, for some of you it will be permit, for some of you it will be a great job, promotion, good relationship, a good person coming towards you, great home atmosphere, great celebration, son or daughter's marriage, their upward movement, you getting a good job, you completing some cycle, you will feel great accomplishment in this time period. I know it, definitely you will be enjoying your time with and celebrating with people you love. And with the Nine of Pentacles, you will feel content. So there is a reunion on the cards with the Lovers and the Four of Wands. Some of you are buying a home, some of you are having this engagement, some of you are getting the person for a long term, some of you are reuniting with someone. So with the Queen of Wands and the Nine of Cups, definitely your wishes will be fulfilled, because you will be this queen who will be magnetic. So whether you are a male or a female, the King of Wands energy is within you, and the outcome energy is Queen of Wands, someone who is very bold, someone who is determined to achieve their success, someone who will get their wishes fulfilled in this time period with the magician energy. So what you have desired will be manifested in this time period, and manifestation is magical, miraculous for you, Sagittarius. So this is going to happen for you, something miraculous which you have manifested. Some of the things have been worked on for a long time. You have coped with difficult situations, and finally, though the influences of lack, influences of difficulties, but you, like a warrior, you will face it and you will reach this situation, this outcome in the discernible future. Something you will celebrate, your wishes will be fulfilled because of the boldness, because of the smartness, because of this expertise that you are going to show. So unlimited ideas is your abundance message from the angels. So this is telling you your mind is one with God, God's infinite mind. So your mind is one with God's infinite mind. Therefore, you have complete access to unlimited ideas. So keep thinking, this idea is going to come to you, this fiery idea, innovative idea. This is going to bring you, and also I forgot to tell you that with the Three of Wands and the Chariot card and the Six of Wands and Four of Wands, I forgot to tell you that some of you guys will be moving towards success with a person, or you will be moving towards success with team spirit or a common finishing line. Some of you can emerge as a leader of your team as well, and that is going to give great success to not just you but to your whole family, your class, your group. That is what I am seeing here. So all you need to do is take divinely guided action in this time period to allow these ideas, the ideas that you will see, which is aligned to the God's unlimited mind. You have got the same mind, so you need to access your unlimited ideas and manifest it, and these will come to fruition. That is what the angels are telling you in this time period. So great fortune, sudden wealth, a house. Some of you are acquiring a house after a long period. You are getting this fulfillment. So marriage, house, some big thing, some great reward, some success after a long time is coming to you. So great fortune coming to you. Some of you will be receiving some advice as well in this time period with the judication card. Some of you will be around a mature woman who will be beneficial, or you could be the mature woman. So main male energy is also here. So some of you will be aligning with a male figure or a female figure, and some of you are definitely getting great fortune in this time period. So this is a great period for you, expansive period as well, and abundance is coming to you in great great portions will come to you. So Sagittarius, if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through any difficulty can contact me through the email ID in the description box for a personal reading if you really require one, and otherwise you can keep watching this space. I'll be bringing more reading and guidance for you. Thanks for watching Tarot Priestess 1313. Bye bye.